Let us now go to the last worksheet of this demo file. The title is US Student Survey Responses. As indicated in the worksheet title, these are the responses from a US student survey, and we will create a cross-tabulation using pivot table. So from here, let us select cell A1. In the menu bar, go to the Insert tab and select Pivot Table. You can find this on the leftmost side. From here, press OK. And then on the right side, you have the pivot table fields. We are going to include age and education. Let us scroll down and then look for age. So we're going to check them, and education. These are placed below. Education is under rows and age is under values. We are going to move education to columns by using your mouse, left click, and then drag this to columns. And then age, left click, hold it, and then drag this on the rows. We are going to include frequency or the count of education. So let us select this field from the pivot table fields, left click education, and then move this under values. Let us zoom out. Okay, from here you can see there is now a pivot table, but we want to encode zeros for the blank cells. Okay. So we will select any of the cells here, right click, and then select pivot table options. Okay, so let us rename our pivot table here to Crosstabulation. And then under format, we have for empty cell show, let's encode 0. From here, we can press OK. Let's zoom out again. And now we can see the responses for each age bracket and the corresponding educational attainment. Now let us create a group for our age range or age bracket. So right click on any of the age range and then select group. Let me zoom in. From here, we will encode the minimum value. It is 15. And then it will end at 30. That's the maximum value. We will create beans of 5. Press OK. Now we have 3 age brackets, 15 to 19, 20 to 24, and 25 to 30. The blank field is for those respondents who didn't indicate their age. Our last task for our cross-tabulation is we are going to rearrange the highest educational attainment since this is an example of ordinal variable. Let me zoom in, and I have already listed this in a notepad. So we will start with currently a primary school pupil. Next is primary school, and then secondary school. Number 4 is college or bachelor's degree, master's degree, doctorate degree, and then the blank fields. Okay, so let's start with currently a primary school pupil. So I will right click and then let me zoom in. You will see there is the move option. From here, we can move this field to beginning or the leftmost side. And then next is primary school. So that's in cell F4. Right click, move, and then choose move primary school to beginning. Okay, so I know there are a lot of steps, but these are the available steps for now in moving the cells. So right click primary school, move, and then select move primary school down. Okay, next is secondary school. Right click, move secondary school to beginning, and then we will move this to the right of primary school. So right click, move, and then choose down. Right click secondary school again, and then choose down. Okay, then we are going to change master's degree. So right click, move, and then let's select up. Okay, and then now we have completed the arrangement of our variables for educational attainment. And from here, let us close pivot table fields. We can now see that for the age range 15 to 19, there were 425 respondents, and there were 10 currently primary school pupils, 74 for primary, 285 for secondary school, 55 for college, 1 for master's degree, and 0 for doctorate degree. So that is how you use cross tabulation. You will see the number of respondents for each variable.